Hello scholars, I hope my all scholars have gone through all the videos carefully and properly, and I'm sure that you all have completed your notes. So scholars, now we'll start with our new exercise of chapter number 7, that is exercise number 7.3, where we will learn how to add the decimals. Okay, addition of whole numbers, addition of larger numbers we have already learned. In this video we will learn how to add decimal numbers. Okay, it is very much similar to our addition of whole numbers and larger numbers, but scholars, here you need to keep in mind the place value of the whole number and the decimal point, okay, while adding the decimal numbers. How to do that I will explain you in this video. Few sums I will solve in this video, and rest all sums you have to do it by yourself. You have to follow the same step and method. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so we'll start with our today's concept, addition of decimals. To add decimals, you have to keep the following steps in the mind. Okay, first of all, you have to write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal point lined up. How to do that? We will see with the help of examples. Okay, then you have to put in 0 so that the number has same length. It means you have to make the numbers to the like fraction. Okay, and then you have to add using the column addition, which we have already learned, and once again we will revise over here, remembering to put the decimal point in the answer. At last you have to put decimal point. Okay, so we'll start with our exercise and we will solve few sums from it. Okay, so scholars, we will see sum number A of exercise 7.3, which is 1.42 plus 2.157. Okay, we have to add these two decimal numbers. So scholars, before adding, what you need to do, you need to convert these decimal numbers to like decimals. Okay, here we can see that here we have two decimal places and here we have three decimal places. It means these two decimal numbers are in unlike decimal form. Okay, for adding we need to convert it into the like decimal. How do we do that? We need to find out the number with the maximum number of decimal places. So here we have, see, here we have 2, here we have 3. It means 2.157 has maximum number of decimal places, which is 3. Okay, we have to convert this first number, that is 1.42, to like fraction with 3 decimal places. What we need to do for that? We need to put 0 after 2. Okay, so here 1.420 plus 2.157. Okay, here I have converted unlike decimal to like decimals. Okay, here we have 3 decimal places, here also we have 3 decimal places. It means I have converted the unlike decimals to like decimals. Now easily we can add it. Okay, so we'll start adding it. Let's see how to do that. Okay, so for adding, first of all scholars, you need to make these place value, decimal place value chart, that is ones and then decimal point, then tenth, hundred, thousand. Okay, and on this part, that is whole number part, has period ones, tens and hundred. Okay, we have to make this decimal place value chart and we have to arrange the numbers according to it. Okay, so here we have 1 in the whole number part. I will write over here 1. Then I will put decimal point, and 4 is at 10th place, so I will put 4 at 10th place. Then 2 is at 100th place, here I have put 2, and then 0 is at 1000th place, here I have put 0. Okay, now I will put next number. I will arrange this next number in the similar way, that is 2.157. Here I have 2 in the whole number part, so I have put 2 in ones place. Then I have put decimal point, 1 at 10th place, then 5 at 100th place, and then 7 at 1000th place. Okay, I have arranged these two numbers into the decimal place value chart. Now I can easily add. Okay, see, 0 plus 7 is 7, 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I will write over here 5. Then decimal point, and then 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, you have to always start from the thousandth place. Okay, so when we will add 1.420 plus 2.157, we'll get sum as 3.577. Okay, and final answer you have to write like this. Okay, don't forget to put decimal point in the final answer. Is it easy? Yes. Now we will see one more sum, and rest all sums you will do it by yourself. Now scholars, we will see sum number F of exercise 7.3, which is 134.705 plus 19.5. So here scholars, we have to add these two decimal numbers. Okay, so before adding, what we need to do, we have to convert these decimal numbers to like decimals. Okay, so how do we do that? We have to find out the number with the maximum number of decimal places. Okay, so here we can see that here we have 3 decimal places and here we have only 1 decimal place. Okay, so obviously 134.705, okay, has the maximum number of decimal places, which is 3. Okay, now what we will do, we will convert these next number, that is 19.5, to like decimal with 3 decimal places. So what we need to do, we need to put zeros. Okay, so how many zeros we need to put? We need to put 2 zeros. Okay, because we have maximum 3 decimal places. Okay, so here I have put 2 zeros. Okay, now I have converted these unlike decimal numbers to like decimal numbers. Okay, see here also we have 3 decimal places and here also we have 3 decimal places. Okay, now easily we can add. Okay, so let's see how to add it. So scholars, before adding you have to make this decimal place value chart. Okay, then you have to arrange these number according to the place value and then you have to add it. This is very important. Okay, now we'll see 134, this is the whole number part, and 705, this is the decimal part. Okay, so here whole number part has period ones, tens and hundred, and decimal part has period tenth, hundred and thousand. Okay, we have to arrange these number according to their place value. So we have 4 at ones place. I have put 4 at ones place, 3 at tens place and 1 at hundred place. So I have put that according to their place value. Now we will see about this decimal part. Okay, so here we have 7 at 10th place, 0 at 100th place and 5 at 1000th place. So I have put 705 according to their place value. Okay, now we will take next number. Okay, here we have 9 at ones place, 1 at tens place and 0 at 100 place. So I have put according to it. Okay, now I will put decimal point and then I will put decimal part according to the decimal value, decimal place value. So here we have 10th at 5 at 10th place. So I have put 5 at 10th place and 0 at 100 and 1000 place respectively. Okay, so this is very important. You have to arrange the numbers properly according to their place value. Okay, now once we have arranged, now we can easily add. Okay, so we'll start adding from this side. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. When we will add 7 with 5, we'll get answer as 12. Okay, so we'll write 2 over here and 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place value. Here we have ones. Okay, now we will add the digit at the ones place. Here we have 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5, and 5 plus 9 is 14. Again we have got 2 digit number. So what we will do, we will write 4 over here and 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place value. Here we have tens. Okay, now we will add the digit at the tens place value. So here we have 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we'll write over here 5. Okay, now at last we will add the digit at the hundreds place value. Okay, hundreds. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so here we have completed our addition, and after addition we have got the sum as 154.205. Okay, how do we write the final answer? We write the final answer like this. Okay, 134.705 plus 019.500 is equal to 154.205. Don't forget to put decimal point. Okay. So scholars, one more sum I will explain you of three decimal numbers. Okay, here we have sum number h, that is 7.263 plus 12.52 plus 0.942. Okay, we have to add these number. So first step is that same, we have to convert these decimal number to like decimals. So here I have converted these numbers to like decimal with same decimal place value. See, here we have 3 decimal place value, here also we have 3 decimal place value, and here also we have 3 decimal place value. Now we can easily add. So for adding, what we need to do first, we need to arrange the numbers in decimal place value chart. So I have arranged all these number in decimal place value chart. Okay. Now we will add. Okay, we'll start adding from thousandth place. So here we go. 3 plus 0 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so I will write over here 5. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, so what we need to do? We need to write 2 over here and 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place value, which is 10th over here. Okay, now we will add the digit at the 10th place. So here we have 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9, which is equal to 17. Okay, so we will write 7 over here and 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place value, which is ones over here. Okay, now we'll add all the digit at the ones place. So here we have 1 plus 7 plus 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, so we'll write 0 over here and 1 will be carry forwarded to the next place value. Over here will carry forward to the tens place value. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so when we'll add all these three decimal numbers, we'll get sum as 20.725. Okay, and final answer you have to write like this, that is 20.725. Scholars, don't forget to put decimal point. So scholars, here I have solved few sums from exercise 7.3. Rest all sums you have to do it by yourself. Okay scholars, so bye for now. Take care of yourself.